Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. Today's video is going to be my fall 2021 clean and decorate with me. It took me 2 days, but we got it done. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
Let's get started. We are going to begin by getting rid of all of this mess in the living room area. It was Saturday morning, so the kids had French toast and sat here and watched cartoons. That was the vibe this morning, so I'm just getting rid of the remnants of that. And I finally got a new area rug for this area. Sorry, it's going to be anticlimactic, and you'll see why in a second. I just can't make a decision about what I want for this area, and I really like the simplicity of this area rug, so I definitely went and just bought the same one. I know it's not really exciting, but I just couldn't make up my mind, and I knew I needed a new one. I have had this one for a complete year. I've had it since we moved in, so it was time to replace it. And also, this rug was pretty affordable from Target. It was less than $100, and I just couldn't be bothered with making any big decisions. Also, I don't plan on living here forever, so I don't want to splurge on anything.
How'd I keep the heat when it gets colder? You know, sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets hotter. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
My little one who is helping me vacuum, he got his vacuum for his birthday, and I believe my grandmother got it from Walmart, but it could have been Target.
Stuff
It is getting harder and harder to keep this ledge clear because the school year started. So I keep all of the masks here, and I also keep that can of Lysol here so that when Xavier comes in from school, I can spray his backpack down and everything in it. I normally just use a Clorox wipe for his Chromebook. And of course, everybody takes their shoes off at the front door, so we don't have to worry about tracking in any dirt and germs, even though my carpet is still disgusting, but that's neither here nor there. It's just hard to keep this ledge clean. That's the point. I picked up this cleaner from HomeGoods and I've been obsessed with it. So if you see this cleaner at HomeGoods, pick it up and try it out.
Dream around in space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and then for hours.
And of course, there are always dishes to be done.
Trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down.
The boys and I actually went out to dinner this day, so I put the dishes away and then I picked back up when we got back home.
Like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly.
On while I'm cleaning, like I really have my life together like that. Clearly I don't. I could not keep up. I couldn't keep up the facade. I couldn't.
It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning.
My fall decor this year is traditional in color and a mixture of old and new. So those new hand towels are from Burlington. That is from the Dollar Tree, the little door bells. And the candles are a mixture of from Aldi, Target, Bath and Body Works. All of those little pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. That candle is last year Target. The pillows are from Target. This little stand from Target Dollar Spot, along with the little glass bottle that has been a really hot item. Those florals behind it is from Burlington. The real florals are from Aldi. Those florals behind are from Michael's. And yeah, so as you can see, it's all pretty warm and kind of neutral, but not really. I have a really neutral palette in my apartment, so it's just really easy to inject some warmth and color.
You're like a waterfall.
I really hadn't planned on doing anything in here, but I did want to wipe down my nightstand, so I figured I'd throw a little something cute on my nightstands after I got finished cleaning them off. I will be moving things around. It took me a long time to figure out where I wanted to place everything, so a lot of this video you'll see me changing configurations and moving things from here to there, trying to figure out what works. And obviously I have a 4-year-old, so nothing is going to stay.
Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here.
This little Target Dollar Spot stand. First of all, I wish I would have purchased the circular one and not this one. Second of all, I was trying to make it work, and what really works for a small space like mine is minimalism, and this little stand is not giving minimalist. It's not. It's just adding another item. I took away my blender to make this work, and I'm I'm not really feeling it. So I think I'm going to end up taking it out eventually. I do like the little floral arrangement, and I used one of the little Target dollar spot bottles to put the arrangement in, and I think because the bottle is clear, see-through, it doesn't take up too much space on the counter. Like your eye doesn't look at it and think, wow, that's really, really cluttered. So yeah, we'll see what I do in day 2.
Should we have fun tonight?
Now we are back in the living room. If I'm honest, I did have to clean up again in here because it's been almost 24 hours. And if you have kids, you know, things don't last that long when you clean. So I did have to clean up again before shooting this little part where I put the new pillows. And this throw blanket I already had in my bedroom. It was a little small for my bed, so it ended up working out perfectly for the couch. And I think it's from Amazon.
I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, 'cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody. I just keep it to myself. I ain't got room for love. I don't need stars above. All I need is my precious space. Yeah, yeah. Why you so serious? Can't you just be mine for a night, my love? Take it off, put it on, then be on your way. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me.
This shelf is visible in Zoom calls for work, so I did want to make sure that I styled it up a little bit to make it very fall and festive. When I was in the office, my cubicle or my desk area would always be decorated for the season. I was that person, so I wanted to make sure that I kept that same energy with my shelving in the back since we are all working virtually.
I've been to her before. I've been through hell and more. So I hold on to now hold on to my heart. I've been alone before. This way I won't get bored. So I hold on to hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, 'cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart.
This took way longer than I'd like to admit, but you know, when you're styling a shelf or anything, it just takes so long to get it exactly right, and I'll probably still end up changing things. Also, yes, I do need to put photos in these frames.
This way I won't get bored. So hold on to hold on to my heart.
I hadn't used my diffuser in quite some time, but I just pulled it out recently, and I have been diffusing lots and lots of cinnamon and sandalwood and a little bit of the sweet orange. I feel like that just smells like fall. All of my oils in my diffuser are from Amazon. And I am all finished for now. You know how that is. I will probably be going to Home Goods and seeing what's on the clearance aisle and picking more things up and taking things away. But I am pleased with how things turned out. And it's still pretty neutral in here. There's definitely a pop of that autumn color, traditional autumn color, but it's still kind of neutral and you're not overwhelmed, which I am happy about. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Take my hits pound for pound.